Good morning, I'm Marlene. Welcome to my channel. Today is such a beautiful day. Early this morning we get a little scattered shower. So I am take the opportunity for this beautiful day, give you an update tour to my backyard orchard garden. All my hydrangeas died during the summer and I'm replacing with plumeria. It's doing better here where I live. Now I only have to water once a week and that's it. And around the tree I will put down mulch. And I've been trimming, pruning my fruit tree in the past 3 weeks, and I still have a lot to go. All this wood right here, I have my husband took out my compost bin. It's not work for me. I have possums, cat, rat, dig all over. So he will be building the raised bed for me, and I will be putting this over there instead, and I will be growing carrot, beet, lettuce, stuff like that. And I've been moving a lot of my benches here all over in my backyard, rearranging it. About a month ago, I went antiquing and I found this heart shape right here. I paid $20 and put it right here. And I decided to move some of my benches around to go with the heart shape. And I love how it turned out. See? And look at how this mango gets so big now. If you look at my past video, you'll see how small it was when I just started. And all this bench, this bench over here, I painted my bench about 6 years ago, and now I regret it. This is teak, and took out the paint. Going to take a while, and I want to go back to the original. I probably need to drink Prosecco while I work on my bench. It's going to take a while. And plum pit. Look at the papaya. You see the fruit? Look at that. That's a fruit. So I've been cleaning up back here. What my plan is, before I growing vegetable all over the place, I don't want to do that. I have one spot on the side of the house. That's where I'll be growing my vegetable. Around here, only few places that I'm gonna be growing, and that's it. And over here, it used to be, I have a bunch of tomato over here, and not going to do that anymore. And here is my fountain, and our friend, he been so busy with his business. I don't know when I'm going to get it. I told him don't worry about it, whenever you have time someday. And my big planter is growing much more fuller. Love how it come out. here was this is where my compost bin used to be. Took it out, and my husband put this stepping stone here, so my raised bed going right here, it's gonna be a standing raised bed, but not too tall. I can, a lot easier to me to work on my raised bed. So this section will be a raised bed, and that's it. And the rest of the vegetable, just like I said, going to go to the other side of the house. And I got rid of the clutter, and we're over here. What I done, I put all my garden pot, tomato cage, everything went in here. And if I need something, I just come and get it. It's much easier, and just like I said, less clutter, easy for me to maintain. And this is how it could turn out, and I really love it. And here is my yellow mumps. You see the flower? My sister gave me this last year. I believe it's Mother's Day. I'm not sure, or my birthday. I can't remember. And when she gave me, it's only like this big. That's it, this size. And look at now how full it get. And all this small mum right here, sometime next year it will be the same. In here it's just going to be just packed with flowers. And I've been pruning, trimming my fruit tree. What I want is, I want my fruit tree to grow full, open up like umbrella, give, going to be beautiful during summer, give me a lot of shade, privacy, everything. And you can see now all this new shoot coming out, so it start to go open up, and going to be beautiful next year. Swap up, you live in the suburb, all the noise. I wish I can live in the country, maybe someday. And I grow papaya, guava, mango, pomegranate. All this tree here remind me of home, where I come from, Cambodia. It remind me of my childhood when I was growing up with my sibling, running around, play, friends. And it brought me a lot of memory when I come here. It made me happy. I miss a lot of them. A lot of them passed away. A lot of my cousin, my relative passed away during the Khmer Rouge. So my tree, mango, oh my guava, everything remind me of Cambodia, my hometown. And I'm just grateful. I'm just so grateful. Yep. And what I'm going to do is show you where over here, and I will show you in my future video. I've been working on these sides here, and I have 3 standing raised bed over there, and a lot of stuff, vegetable over there. I will show you in the future. I probably order 2 more over here, total 5 raised bed that I can grow different lettuce, spinach, stuff like that. So most of my vegetable is going to be over here, right here. Yeah, so it will be my future video. And yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.